There are many ways to make a woman obsess over you. Some are more effective than others and some are more subtle. But if you want to be the man that women can't get enough of, you need to use all of the techniques we will talk about in today's world. We often take the easy way out when it comes to relationships, but if you want to have a real connection with someone, you need to be willing to put in the work. So if you're ready to make women obsess over you, here are 9 ways to do it. 1. Be confident. One of the most important things you can do to make a woman obsess over you is to be confident. Women are attracted to confident men, and they will be more likely to obsess over you if you project confidence. So work on your confidence and make sure that you are self-assured and in control. Be careful, though there is a fine line between being confident and being cocky. You don't want to come across as arrogant or conceited. Just be sure of yourself and your abilities, and let that come through in your interactions with others. 2. Connect with her emotionally. One of the best ways to make a woman obsess over you is to connect with her on an emotional level. Women are emotional creatures, and by connecting with them emotionally, you'll be able to make a deep connection with them. The easiest way to do this is to find something you have in common. Once you've found something that you both connect with, you'll be able to have deeper conversations and she'll start to feel closer to you. The better you are at emotional intelligence, the easier it will be for you to make a woman interested in you. So be sure to focus on your emotional intelligence and continue to develop this skill. You need to be able to see the world through her eyes if you want to make her attracted to you. Using some psycho-emotional techniques can get almost any woman to obsess over you. 3. Be interesting and exciting. If you want to make a woman attracted to you, you need to be someone that she finds interesting and exciting. One of the best ways to do this is to keep things fresh and new. Don't just talk about the same old things all the time. Be sure to venture out and try new things. This will make you more interesting and exciting to be around, and she'll start to see you in a different light. You should also be sure to have your own hobbies and interests. Women are attracted to men who are well-rounded and have their own lives outside of the relationship. So if you want to make her drawn to you, be sure to have your own thing going on. 4. Complimenting her in a smart way. Compliments are a great way to make a woman feel good about herself, and if you compliment her in the right way, she'll start to melt. But you need to be careful with your compliments. You don't want to come across as insincere or fake. A good way to compliment a woman is to focus on her intelligence or sense of humor. Women are often insecure about their intelligence, so by complimenting her mind, you'll make her feel good about herself, and she'll be more likely to feel attracted to you. 5. Touch her in a meaningful way. Touch is a powerful thing, and if you can touch her in a meaningful way, you'll be able to make her feel a deep connection with you. When talking to her, be sure to touch her arm or shoulder. The more you pay attention to her nonverbal cues, the more likely you are to be able to touch her in a way that will make her feel connected to you. But be careful, because if you touch her too much, she'll start to feel uncomfortable. There is a fine line between appropriate touching and creepy touching, so be sure to pay attention to her body language, as this will help you figure out how much is too much. 6. Give her space. One of the things that women hate most is when a man is too clingy. If you're always calling her, texting her, and trying to be around her, she'll quickly lose interest. Women need their space, and if you can give her the space she needs, she'll be more likely to want to be around you. By making yourself less available, you'll actually make yourself more attractive to her. This doesn't mean that you should never contact her, but it does mean that you should give her some time to miss you. Unfortunately, this is something that many men have a hard time doing. They can't control their urge to constantly be around the woman they like, and they end up driving her away. Women like a challenge, and if you can be a little bit mysterious, she'll be more likely to be intrigued by you. So don't be afraid to play hard to get. It may seem counterintuitive, but it's actually one of the best things you can do to make a woman obsess over you. But be careful not to take it too far. You don't want to come across as aloof or uninterested. Just be a little bit more mysterious than the average guy, just to make her curious. 7. Show your intelligence shadow. Intelligence is sexy, there's no doubt about that. But many men make the mistake of trying to show off their intelligence in a way that comes across as arrogant or overbearing. Remember, it's not about impressing her, it's about showing her that you are a man of intelligence and substance. So be sure to show your intelligence in a confident and cool way. This should come naturally to you if you're a truly intelligent person. While it's important to be intelligent, you don't want to come across as a know-it-all. This is a big turnoff, and it will actually have the opposite effect. Just relax and be yourself. Let your intelligence shine through naturally and she'll be drawn to it. Be sure also to show her your playful side. Women love men who can make them laugh, and by being playful, you'll show her that you're not just another boring guy. Be yourself and let her get to know the real you. 8. Take care of your physical appearance. This one should be obvious, but it's still worth mentioning. Women are attracted to men who take care of their physical appearance. This doesn't mean that you need to be a model, but it does mean that you should make an effort to look clean. Be sure to groom yourself properly and dress well. Women will notice if you're not taking care of yourself, which will definitely turn them off. So be sure to put some effort into your physical appearance, and you'll start to see the results in your interactions with women. You don't need to do this for the sake of impressing a woman. You should do this for yourself. Women are just a bonus. This should define your standards, and you should never change them for someone else. She'll appreciate that you value her opinion and will be more likely to feel special. 9. Don't fly too deep in the friend zone. Be friendly with her without always being available. Girls love guys who are a bit mysterious, so try to cultivate a bit of mystery. Don't always pick up the phone, let on where you're going, etc. Be honest, but not always totally upfront. If you found this video helpful, please comment below, hit the like button and consider subscribing our channel. Thank you.